Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Afterpay card number using two simple methods. Method 1, first go to the App Store and search for Afterpay. Download the Afterpay app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, tap on the wallet option. There you'll find your Afterpay card including the card number. Method 2, if Afterpay isn't available in your app store, you can still access your card through Apple Wallet as long as you've linked your Afterpay card. Open Apple Wallet and tap on your Afterpay card. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select card details and you'll see your full Afterpay card number. And that's it. That's how to see your Afterpay card number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.